Pangulong Marcos Jr. may go signal na kay Secretary Gibo Teodoro. I-full package na ang bilhing multi-role fighter jet para sa Philippine Air Force. Ibig sabihin, bukod sa 12 Just 39 Gripen, may kasama pa tong Airborne Early Warning Control System o AWACS. Kaya nitong makadetect ng kalaban kahit napakalayo pa, mapamisile pa yan o fighter jet. But wait, there's more. Para saan ba idinisenyo ang mga fighter jet? Para pang-atake, diba? At napakalayo nga ng China. Para isagawa ang pag-atake, kailangan ng aerial refueling aircraft. Literal na full package ang bibilhin ni Secretary Gibo. Yan din ang kanyang video sa kanyang social media account. Hindi kasi sasapat kung kulang-kulang orderin. Dapat daw may fighter jet, AWACS at refueling aircraft. Napakahalaga daw ng magkakasama yung tatlong yan.
Countries have experienced the fact that they are realizing that they need AWACS, notwithstanding the fact that their satellite capability is not enough. We need tankers and we need sustainment. I know the expectations of our people, but it is my responsibility to make sure that each peso spent can be supported and justified.
May pera na nga at may nakalang pondo para sa bibilhing multi-role fighter jet. Pero malaki rin ang kakailanganing perang gagastusin para i-maintain to. Syempre may armas pa yan. May mga missile pa ang jet at kailangan talaga yon. Dapat marami ring ordering missile ang AFP. Di po pwedeng pang airshow lang o pang display daw yan.
It's easy to buy, but to maintain and to use the equipment with adequate stores, reserves, and munitions, which will add considerably to the cost of the package, must be all taken into account. We will not buy equipment which will not make a difference, which will not add to deterrence, have orders, have deliveries, and not being able to use them to their optimal, for their optimal use, and just have them flying air shows.
Isa sa inaalala ng Secretary Gibo, ang second batch ng MRF. F-16 Fighting Falcon kasi ang bibili ng Philippine Air Force. Pero ayon kay Pangulong Marcos Jr., huwag kayong mag-alala. Suportado ko ang hakbang para mapalakas ang kapabalidad ng Air Force.
Habang umaasa ang taong bayan sa inyo, kayo naman ay may maaasahan sa administrasyong ito. Bilang inyong Commander-in-Chief, titiyakin kong buo at tapat ang suporta at malasakit ko sa inyong lahat na Philippine Air Force.
Pinuri rin ni Pangulong Marcos at sipag at dedikasyon ng PAF, lalo na pag may sakuna o kalamidad sa Pilipinas. Air Force daw ang pinakmaaasahang magdala ng ayuda sa mga salanta ng bagyo.
I say this with great pride. The Philippine Air Force is a force on its own right. It is a credible, agile, essential to our country's aerospace defense.
Sir, when you challenge the armed forces to realign and sharpen our focus towards territorial defense, we understood the gravity of your mandate and the urgency of your vision. Together, we fly farther not just to defend the skies, but to shape a future where our Air Force stands ready, relevant, and resilient. Hindi
na nga tayo makapag-antay na ma-deliver agad yan. Kayo, natutuwa ba kayo at bibili tayo ng fighter jets? I-komento sa baba ang salobin.